Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Why Do Some Remodeling Projects Go Over Budget? All right, folks, imagine embarking on a home renovation journey, armed with dreams bigger than the open desert sky. But suddenly reality hits you with budget overruns faster than an impulse buy on Black Friday. So, why does this happen? Let's uncover these pesky pitfalls and turn them into stepping stones for financial success. First on the docket, unexpected structural issues. You know how it goes? Open up those walls and there they are. Gremlins of rotten wood, mischievous mold, or wiring that looks like a tornado's playground. These surprises aren't the kind grandma put in her casseroles, and they add unforeseen expenses faster than you can say, I need a new contingency plan. Then there's a little something called scope creep. It's when your project gets a life of its own, spiraling into an opera of add-ons that aren't part of the original score. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Suddenly, what started as a simple kitchen remodel involves heated floors, a wine rack, and whispers of just one more change. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Sometimes the problem stems from inaccurate estimating. A contractor who doesn't provide detailed initial costs can leave you underprepared. Get a transparent estimate with itemized details. Don't fall for the vague promise of magic numbers pulled from thin air. Don't forget the dreaded delay factor. Let's face it, delays can turn a budget from a neat row of ducks into a ruffled flock. Whether stemming from a shipment mix-up or permit hiccup, time equals money, so have wiggle room built into your schedule. Moving on, material changes. Opting for the priciest Italian marble over your initial modest ceramic can set off shockwaves through your budget, like swapping a bicycle for a Ferris wheel. Stick to your planned finishes and materials to avoid spiraling costs. Finally, proper planning, or lack thereof, plays a starring role. Proper early-stage forecasting saves time and money, catching potential issues before they evolve into expensive headaches. So, how do you keep your project from bursting its financial seams? Meticulous planning, clear communication, and preventative measures. Like inspecting a bumpy road before driving, it ensures a smoother ride from concept to completion. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.